couples at a karaoke bar in Japan.
That would be awesome. I'd be down.
I'll be like, I love you, and then we all cheat on them.
You're like, I rub Japan.
I do want to go back. I couldn't this year because of work, but that does sound a lot like a lot of fun.
We could go to that spot that we didn't get to hit. It was what's the name of that street? It's like Go Tendori Street or some shit. I don't know if that's what it's called, but something like that. And it's just nothing but street foods and bars and stuff, you know?
Sounds fucking awesome. I want to go see the robot versus monsters dinner.
What is that?
It's a it's like a dinner. You ever been to like medieval times or anything like that?
Oh yeah,
So it's like that, but with robots and dinosaurs.
that's
You
pretty
eat
badass.
and you watch this show, and there's lasers, and this looks fucking. Oh shit! I haven't been to customs yet. This looks crazy. Oh, this is my favorite. Yeah.
Oh shit! Watch
Hey!
out! Watch out! Ah, what the fuck?
You
Ah,
just killed
shit!
me.
Fuck! This shit. I disconnected it and it started firing. Fuck! Oh my god!
You shot me right in the head.
Fuck! Dude, I unplugged it and it's. Oh my! Why'd you stand in front of me too?
I was looking at your face.
That's what I was
Oh,
like.
dude. If
No!
you wanted to get revenge, you could have just told me that.
I looked away as quick as I could too. Damn it.
I think that first bullet got me, dude, because I went down instantly.